Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, September 11, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and a candle has made a higher high and a higher low. A very bullish candle today, and importantly this candle has taken out some very solid potential resistance in this market, and the first level that was taken out was the window that was opened about a month or so ago, and the market tested just almost to the top of that level for the previous day's trading and failed to close that window. Today we've traded all the way through there in a very strongly bullish manner, with the window closing and therefore ending possibility of that being an area of resistance to this market. The market also closed in a bullish manner up above the important 1687 level, and that was a previous area of support in the recent past, and now with this bullish close up above that level, it does suggest that there is good potential for this market to test up to the 1700 round number level of resistance. Now, we have seen some strong rejection from this area in the zone between this 1687 and the 1700 level, and we can see the shadow on the top of these candles, and we could see this market find resistance anywhere within this area. But this market seems to have some fairly solid upside momentum. For today's trading, the buyers have closed with strong control. They've closed up at the high, and they've been in control for most of the trading day. The sellers did lose some commitment early in the trading day as the market tested down below the bottom of that window, that gap there, and the buyers came back into the market very strongly. In terms of the size of the body, it has reduced slightly on the previous day's body, but certainly not enough to be a worry for us. It hasn't shrunk up dramatically, and does suggest that there still is some decent upside momentum in net terms. The buyers have made still a significant amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, not a lot to talk about here at the moment. We are still trading in a bullish manner up above the 261.8% level. We've now closed that resistance that was close by, and the market has potential to test up to the 423.6% level, which is above the 1700 round number level. It's at 1708, and don't know the chances of the market really testing to there in this first time frame uptrend. I suggest that if we do see the market continue, we're likely to find solid resistance around the 1700 level before we reach the 423.6% level. And in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, we're in an expansive mode of a similar scenario, trading bullishly up above the 261.8%. We have a target at 423.6% at 1705. There is still a possibility that the market could test up to there if it breaks out above the 1700 level and gets rejected from there, but we can't preempt the market. But we do have very solid resistance before the market trades up to that level. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, obviously a bullish market in all three timeframes. The market is trading up above the cloud. We've seen follow through, confirmation of this buy signal in terms of Ichimoku, with the market breaking out in a strongly bullish manner above the cloud, giving us a bullish bias in that long-term time frame. The market's also trading above the Kijun-sen, so we're bullish in the medium-term time frame. That's the pink line here, and also bullish in the fast-term time frame by trading up above the Tenkan-sen, the green line. The Tenkan-sen is pointing up quite sharply, reflecting this solid upside momentum. Interestingly, the Kijun-sen is pointing down, and that's quite strange to see that occur in a market that's making new highs, and it's probably a little bit of lag still left over from some previous trading in this strong downtrend, but certainly not consistent with what we're seeing in terms of the second time frame, with the market making a series of higher peaks and higher troughs all the way back down around this level, around 1646. Looking across here at the Chikou span, that's still below the corresponding price action, so it's suggesting that the market is still exhibiting some negative momentum in that longer term time frame, and not supporting what we're seeing in the all three time frames, with the market being bullish. So some doubt about continuation of the trend to the upside in terms of the Chikou span being below the corresponding price action. But other than that, All of the price action here is bullish. The Ichimoku indicators are favouring the market trading to higher levels. The buyers have once again closed with control here. We've closed the window, the important resistance. We've broken out above the 1687 level and closed in a bullish manner up above there. The only worrying factor is after 3 very solid bullish days where the buyers have continually taken control of the market at the close of trading, are we going to see some profit taking coming in? Are we going to see the market relax? And if we do, then we should look to 1687 as potential support, and perhaps this window now to act as support if the market does retrace back into this level. Certainly around the area at the top of the cloud, around 1675, we should see solid support come into the market, and that's the top of that highlighted yellow zone, and that should be a very significant area if the market does come off. But let's just wait and see how the market reacts. The high of the current candle is at 1689, and we're looking for a higher high and higher low, and the market potentially trading up towards the 1700 round number level of resistance.